So what's the scoop on this top-secret death lab?
This asteroid is registered as a beryllium storage warehouse. But that must be a cover for the Dominion's biolab.
Let's hope so. We'd look pretty silly coming all this way for a few tons of beryllium. Did those documents give us any clues as to what the Dominion's cooking up in there?
No, sir. But they did contain some of the facility's security codes, so we may be able to hack into their systems.
Sounds fun. Well, as long as we're here, we may as well take a look.
Sir, parts of the facility seem to be scan-shielded. Our signals are breaking up left and right. Be careful in there.
Hey, careful's my middle name.
I thought it was Eugene.
Shut it, Matt. All right, boys. Stay frosty. Break it down. Raiders roll. Surprise, surprise. The door's sealed. Nothing a little breaching charge won't cure. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll.
This facility is strictly off limits. Rainer?
Not today, buddy. Time to man up.
Fry any rebel you see.
Looks like we got a reception committee waiting for us. Adjutant, activate those gun turrets and give them a surprise.
System accessed. Decrypting security overrides. System control established.
Well, we got half the guns. Should take some of them out at least. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Oh my god! Don't kill me!
You can count on me. These creatures, they ain't like any Zerg I've ever seen before. Matt, scan their biosignatures.
Hold on. The signal's weak in there. Wait. Sir, I'm reading both Zerg and Protoss DNA. Were those things assimilated somehow?
I don't know. But I'm real curious as to what they're doing inside a Dominion lab.
Check it out. We got that Rainer guy trapped in Lab 1.
Ha! Nice! Release the Zerg!
Raiders roll. Zerg. They're coming from the holding pen. Destroy it, boys. We gotta block them out. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up. You can count on me.
They got out. That ain't good.
Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll.
Hold them back! Don't let them in the lab!
You can count on me. Raiders roll. Looks like we got a few options on this terminal to soften them up before we go in. looks like the same creature was mutated and cloned over and over. Matt, you got any additional info?
Stetman's been running some tests, sir. He says the specimen's DNA strands have been artificially spliced. Whoever's in charge of this mess did it deliberately.
Matt, we've got to blow this place sky high. No way we can just leave it standing.
Well, I'm picking up a strong power signature close to you. There must be a large fusion reactor somewhere in the facility.
Perfect. We'll find the reactor, destroy it, then we're out of here. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. They were testing these weapons on the specimens. What the hell have they been up to here? Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. We got trouble ahead. That cargo bay's big enough for heavy units. Time to man up. Oh yeah. Siege tanks. Vikings. Wait. Some kind of warbot. Looks like I can pick a weapon upgrade and activate it from this console. Here goes. Sounds like a plan. That bot won't last long. Let's move.
Your forces are under attack.
Raiders roll. Count on me. Like a plan. Sounds like a plan. What's up? Count on me. Raiders roll. What's the plan? Sell me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You read me, Matt? I could use some reinforcements down here. They got something big in the next room, and I don't think it's friendly.
You got it, sir. I only have one dropship available. What do you need? Yes, sir. Your reinforcements are inbound.
Time. Well, he did his best for us. Break it down. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Time to man up. Brutalist, huh? So the Dominion's doing research on these things too. Mean-looking sucker.
This might not be the best time to take on a giant Zerg monster, but Stetman still needs more Brutalisk samples to complete his research. It's your call.
You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to man. You can count on me. Time to man. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Raiders roll.
Sir, you're right on top of that power signature. The fusion reactor must be nearby.
You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan.
Containment field weakening. Protoss-Zerg hybrid reviving.
Emergency! Emergency! Containment breach! We're all gonna die!
My lord. Am I seeing this right?
We should get out of here right now.
Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
All right, that's it. We're leaving.
Raiders roll.
Sir, you'll have to be careful. Signal's warping, but that critter's breaking the place apart. Who knows what you'll run into?
Just what I wanted to hear. Thanks for the heads up. Stay tight on me. Let's move, Raiders.
Man up. You can count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Rift device. Must be based on alien tech. Minsk is really playing with fire here.
Come on, ladies. We need to keep moving. Blast through that rubble.
On me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Time to man up.
Sir, if I'm reading this right, that hybrid is virtually indestructible. Don't try and fight it. Just get out of there.
Hell, that debris won't hold it for long. Keep moving. Go, go!
Time to man up. Raiders roll.
The hybrid is on the move.
Another warbot. Adjutant, send it after the hybrid to buy us some time.
You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Time to man up.
Let's move!
You can count on me. Sounds like a plan.
This place is coming apart fast.
Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Count on me.
Hell, that warbot didn't last long.
Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. You can count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan.
Sir, I lost the hybrid signal. It seemed to just disappear.
Define disappear.
Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Whoa! What the hell?
You can count on me. Time to man up. Count on me.
Evac, get to the transport.
Transport? We just found our way out of here.
You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up.
Time we were leaving. Lift off. Matt, can you read me? I'm inbound in some big transport the Dominion was nice enough to supply. Don't shoot us down.